In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off desktop notifications on WhatsApp Web. If you find yourself constantly interrupted by notifications while working or browsing online, this guide is just what you need. First, let's dive into WhatsApp Web itself to adjust the notification settings. Begin by opening WhatsApp Web on your desktop browser. As you look at the WhatsApp Web interface, you'll find your profile icon located towards the bottom left of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing a host of personalization options, including notifications. Once you're in the profile settings, look for the section labeled Notifications. Clicking on this will reveal your current notification preferences. To stop desktop notifications, find the option that indicates General Notifications and simply toggle it off. This action will disable any intrusive pop-ups from WhatsApp Web directly. However, please keep in mind that this method controls notifications strictly from within WhatsApp Web itself. If you continue to receive notifications despite changing your settings in WhatsApp, there's an alternative method involving your browser's permissions. Different browsers may have slightly varying interfaces, but the core process remains largely the same. Start by locating the site information icon or padlock icon. This is generally found next to the address bar at the top of your browser. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear, providing you with details about your browser's current permissions for WhatsApp Web. In this drop-down, search for the notification setting. It's possible that WhatsApp has been granted permission to send you notifications via your browser. To block these, change the setting to block. By doing so, you're telling your browser that it should no longer deliver notifications from WhatsApp Web. Once you've updated these settings, your changes might not take immediate effect unless you refresh the page. This step ensures that the new settings are fully applied, eliminating any lingering notifications. Just click on the refresh button, often represented by an arrow forming a circle, or simply press F5 on your keyboard. By following these straightforward steps, you should now have peace of mind, free from the distraction of unwanted WhatsApp Web notifications. Adjusting the notification preferences both within WhatsApp Web and through your browser settings is a surefire way to retain your focus and keep your workspace uninterrupted. If these steps don't resolve your issues, it might be worth exploring further updates or settings within both WhatsApp and your preferred browser to ensure they're compatible and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in managing your notifications more effectively.